Good pass from Miguel Bagunas.
There you go. Goosebumps.
We're gonna run out of words to describe all the spikes today, Coach Ronnie.
It's okay. We'll ride the shoulders of
Yeah, will choose Bagunas.
not just a two-time champion abroad, but also an MVP last year. And we may run out of superlatives, but we will never get tired of this picture-perfect delivery. And that
Malabunga punishing, but Bagunas, the real punisher in that rally.
sabi ni Coach Dex, dahan-dahan. Sabi ni Brian, maya-maya, Coach. Pero ito, hindi dahan-dahan. Look at that full swing.
Wala po. Paul Bugawan with that serve. Ooh, thinking twice there was Sumanggid.